Wow! Okay. Let's have a brief interview.
Yes!
Mr. Naoki. Naoki naman. Naoki, how old are you? Oh! 29! Oh my God! Okay, Mr. Naoki, are you single?
Yes.
Are you single? Ano, dokshi desu ka? Sort of. Sort of. Ibig sabihin, pwede siya, pwede kanyang galawin din. Nakakatuwa naman kung ganun. Okay. For example, do you love Filipina girls? No. He's getting to know, but oh my God, don't look me in the eyes. Oh my God. I'm sorry.
Kawawa naman. Ano to? Sing
Guys, sandali lang Mr. Naoki ha, may guest lang tayo. And of course, ibibigay ko po muna ito kay Mamay. Ano guys?